Small folding washing machine, compact and versatile solution for your laundry needs. Efficient washing and drying. The 8 L small folding washing machine offers a seamless integration of washing and drying in one compact unit. Designed for multipurpose use, it's perfect for washing children's clothes, underwear, socks, towels, and other small laundry items. Equipped with a drain basket and blue light sterilization, it ensures your clothes are cleaned thoroughly and hygienically. Portable and foldable design. This washing machine's foldable design makes it incredibly portable, ideal for home use or travel. Whether you're a student in a dormitory, living in an apartment, traveling, camping, or on a business trip, this lightweight machine is your perfect companion for effortless laundry on the go. Powerful stain removal. Experience advanced cleaning with this mini washer's hand-like friction washing, featuring both positive and negative rotations for effective stain removal. The quick wash mode paired with blue light technology ensures even delicate items, like baby clothes and underwear, are cleaned thoroughly and hygienically. Premium food-grade material. Crafted with durable TPE and food-grade silicone materials, this washing machine is resistant to aging, yellowing, high temperatures, and corrosion. It's safe for cleaning personal items, baby products, pet items, and even fruits and vegetables. Eco-friendly and energy-saving. Designed with environmental consciousness, this washing machine uses ultrasonic vibration waves for efficient cleaning while conserving water and electricity. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who values cleanliness, sustainability, and convenience, perfect for families with babies, pet owners, and frequent travelers. Simple operation. Using this washing machine is easy. Connect the power, plug in the washing machine, and press the button for 2 seconds to start. Select cleaning mode, choose from 3 modes: 10-minute standard wash, 15-minute gentle wash, or 2-minute spin dry. Quickly press the button to switch modes. Automatic cleaning, the machine handles the rest. Stop when done, press the button for 2 seconds to turn it off. Key features. Compact 8 L capacity, small yet efficient, suitable for everyday essentials. Blue light sterilization, keeps clothes clean and germ-free. Foldable design, saves space and enhances portability. Energy-efficient operation, saves both water and electricity. Durable material, TPE construction ensures long-lasting use. Multiple cleaning modes, tailored to your laundry needs. The small folding washing machine is your ultimate solution for quick, efficient, and portable laundry care. Whether at home or on the move, this innovative appliance makes laundry a breeze.